Hello and welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to reset the Jeep Renegade oil change required light. If you're like most Jeep owners, you know how important it is to keep your vehicle in top condition. One of the most important things you can do is to change the oil regularly. But after you've changed the oil, you might notice that the oil change required light is still on. Don't worry, it's an easy fix. By following our instructions, you can easily reset the oil change required light and keep your vehicle running smoothly. Whether you're a Jeep Renegade owner or a mechanic looking to save time and money, this video is for you. So let's do it! The fastest way to reset oil life, and is usually used for all Jeep models, is by stepping on the gas pedal 3 times slowly within 10 seconds after turning the ignition to the run position. So let me guide you through the procedure. Step 1. Turn your car to the run position. Make sure your foot is off the brake and go ahead with pressing the start button twice. Step 2. Depress the gas pedal 3 times. Put your foot on the accelerator pedal and press it down slowly to the floor 3 times within 10 seconds. Step 3. Restart the car. Finally, turn the ignition off and start the engine to verify the indicator has been reset. If the indicator message still illuminates when you start the car, the oil change indicator system did not reset, and you will need to repeat this procedure. Congratulations! You successfully reset the oil change required light on your Jeep Renegade. Remember, it's important to change your oil at regular intervals to keep your Jeep running smoothly. If you still have trouble resetting the oil change required light, consult your owner's manual or talk to a professional mechanic. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you next time!